This winter period is a really important time for the gardens and also for the gardeners. And I always dedicate a good portion of the winter garden to rest. And that's definitely a part of winter is really walking away, doing the work that you need to do to kind of finish the season, spreading that straw mulch or growing a cover crop, and then taking a big step back. Our gardens give and give to us. They nourish our bodies and minds, and so they need to be replenished and to rest, letting death concentrate and accelerate in the formation of rich compost. These deaths nourish the endlessly diverse and complex microbiome of the soil. So for much of the garden, winter is a time of death and decay. It is the completion and the continuation of an annual cycle. If we don't take these measures to keep our soils in balance, then we're gonna see their decline. And I think it's also just sort of a natural thing for us to do with the longer nights and the shorter days. Take some time to really nourish ourselves and replenish the energy that we've spent over the course of the growing season. And that's exactly what our gardens are doing in order to be ready to produce for us again. To enrich the earth, I have sowed clover and grass to grow and die. I have stirred into the ground the offal and the decay of the growth of past seasons, and so mended the earth and made its yield increase. All this serves the dark. After death, willing or not, the body serves, entering the earth, and so what was heaviest and most mute is at last raised up into song.